Sa halip na 1 oras, magiging 5 minuto na lamang ang biyahe mula Caloocan patungo ng Maynila. Ito ay matapos pangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang inaugurasyon ng North Luzon Expressway Connector Caloocan, Espanya section. 5 kilometro ang unang section ng NLEX connector na dadaan sa urbanized areas kasama na ang C3 Road, 5th Avenue, Blumentritt at Espanya sa Manila. Inaasahang maiibsan na rin ang matinding daloy ng trapiko sa bahagi ng Espanya, Abad Santos Avenue, Rizal Avenue at Lacson Avenue, pati na sa may bahagi ng University Belt sa Manila. Nasa 23 billion pesos na pondo ang inilaan ng gobyerno sa NLEX connector.
This is indeed another achievement and undoubtedly will significantly improve the mobility of people, of goods, of services, not only within Metro Manila, but also within its environs. With the opening of this project, we sustain and accelerate the momentum started by the previous administration in terms of infra development. We will continue and complete these projects as efficiently as we can, crucial as they are in achieving our national development goals.
Pangako ng Pangulo, pararamihin pa ng kanyang administrasyon ang pagpapatayo ng mga kalsada at tulay para mapabilis ang paggalaw ng tao. Paliwanag ng Pangulo, ang pagkakaugnay-ugnay ng mga kalsada ay magpapabilis at magpapalago sa ekonomiya ng bansa.
So we will not stop here. We will continue to develop a highly interconnected road network that will facilitate our country's rapid, inclusive, and sustained economic growth.
Utos ng Pangulo sa Department of Transportation, makipag-ugnayan sa pribadong sektor para masigurong mabilis na matatapos ang mga proyekto.
Try very hard, as we all do, to stay within the target time frame. Although your success rate in this regard is exemplary, avoid unnecessarily delays and finish the project as scheduled so that the Filipino people will be able to reap the benefits as soon as possible. Ultimately, the positive effects of this project will speed up mobility and transactions, will spur economic productivity of the country. High-impact infrastructure improvements, visible and directly felt by our people, will be the credible proof that their government is indeed effectively and tirelessly working for them and applying what we have come to call the whole of government, whole of nation approach.
Kapag nakumpleto ang buong NLEX connector, sa halip na 2 oras, magiging 20 minuto na lamang ang biyahe mula NLEX Alabang patungo ng NLEX Balintawak. Tinatayang nasa 35,000 na sasakyan kada araw ang makikinabang sa naturang proyekto. Chona Yu, Radyo, INQUIRER, bayang nagtatanong, mamamayang nag-uusisa.